In this question we've been asked to integrate with respect to x. Now the first thing I dislike about this question is this second term here. I don't like fractional terms, so I'm going to rewrite this question. So we're going to integrate 3x to the power 4 plus x to the power minus 3 plus 4 with respect to x. So when we integrate, we add 1 to the power and then divide by that new power. So in the first term, the power is 4, so this will become 3x to the power 5 divided by 5. In the second term, the power is minus 3. So if we add 1 to that, that becomes x to the power minus 2, and we're going to divide by that power minus 2. And with the third term, there is no x, so we add 1 to the power, and then we put that x, so it's 4x, and the power is 1, so there's no need to divide by 1 because it will still become 4. And we have to remember as well the constant of integration. Now that would give you full marks WJEC. I really don't like the second term though, with the minus 2 as the denominator. So I'm going to simplify that second term. We have a plus and a minus, so it's going to give us minus x to the power minus 2 all over 2. And that's how I would prefer the answer written. But you would gain full marks for the first line. The second question is a definite integral. So we are going to integrate the 6x to the power 5. So add 1 to the power, so that will become 6x to the power 6. Divide by that new power, so that's divide by 6. The second term will become 5 and increase the power, so it will become 5x. And then we are going to integrate that between the values of 3 and 2. Now the 6's cancel out here, so our value here is just going to be x to the power 6. So what we've got to do with the definite integral is we've got to substitute the top number in, so it's going to be 3 to the power 6 plus 5 3's, and then we are going to subtract and we substitute the second number in, so it's 2 to the power 6 plus 5 lots of 2. Substitute in these values into our scientific calculator, and this first pair of numbers gives us 744, and then our second pair of numbers give us 74, and when we subtract those it gives us a grand total of 670.